Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the rear brake light lens for a 2005 Ford Focus. Let's jump in. Alright, so we're in the trunk. Where you're looking is backward to the driver's side tail light. So we need to remove this plastic piece here. Okay, so what we need to do is just remove those three. They kind of look like wing nuts. They look like this. You need to remove those really easily. There's like three of these weird wing nut things, and as you're on the third one, that taillight lens is going to want to fall out, so make sure you brace it. There we go. Remove the light bulb assembly by twisting it to the left like that. Do the same thing for the lower one. And now the lens is free. Alright, so we can make sure this is our old unit. You can see while we're replacing it, it's got this nice big hole in the reversing area with this unit. And we can make sure it's identical, which it is, so it's ready to go in the car. We can replace our brake light here. And our reversing light. Make sure those are on nice and snug, and now it can be pushed back into its housing. Like that. And now we can reattach those wing nuts we removed earlier. And a tip I have for you is don't tighten them all down until you've gotten all of the nuts back on. And there we go. So that is how you replace a brake light lens for a 2005 Ford Focus. It was extremely easy and requires zero tools, which is super cool. So this is something anybody could do at any skill level and save yourself a bunch of money while doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.